All right, we're in the recording. You see it?
Oh, we are started.
Oh, you want me to stop? Can you
No. We started do the presentation.
All right. So
Hello, everyone. Today, our group is excited to introduce our user study case, Arjo. Arjo is a leading company in the healthy care technology and service sector. It highlights its history, key products, and strategic importance in improve patient care and healthcare efficiency. Understanding Agile's role offers valuable insights into innovation and service delivery within the healthy care industry. First is the company overview, history and background of Arjo. Arjo was founded with the focus on developing solutions that enhance patient mobility and improve safety. Over the years, it has grown into global leader by priority in innovation, quality, and sustainability. The company long-standing com- commitment to healthcare professionals and patients has shaped its reputation and expanded to market reach worldwide. Agile's core products and service. Agile offers a range of products, including medical beds, patient lifts, and solutions designed to promote patients' independence and reduce carriage strain. Their service also education and training for healthcare providers, demonstration Agile's holistic approach to improving healthcare outcomes and operational efficiency. Market position and competitor. Arjo holds a strong position in the healthcare technology market, competing with major global players. It focuses on innovation and quality different in a highly competition landscape. The company continues adapt to evolving healthcare needs, leveraging technology to maintain its leadership and expand market share internationally.
okay, let's move into the heart of our study, case study analysis. We will look at the specific challenges Azure face and the technical use cases they develop to solve it. The first one is the submit and validate order use case. Our first use case focuses on the order management system. In this workflow, when the customer submits an order, the system doesn't just record it. It triggers a series of validations. It checks account details and order accuracy immediately. If details are invalid, it prompts for collection on the spot. Once validated, the system automatically triggers a stock check with the warehouse, ensuring the promise made to the customer and actually be kept.
This use case focuses on how the Salesforce ERP system helps automate stock replenishment. It being when the inventory controller initial data command. The system then retires real-time stock levels from the database. Once the data is fallen below the minimum level, if it has, the system triggers MRP logic and calculates the extra quantity needed. From there, a transfer request is generated automated with no manual input required. Finally, the system updates and saves the new stock status along with the request details.
All right, next. So for our use case, maintenance and scheduling. So this use case diagram actually shows the maintenance and scheduling process in Arjo services management system. The process starts when the hospital representatives submits a maintenance request for equipment. The service coordinator then validates the service contract, checks technicians' availability, and then it schedules the maintenance visit. After that, the field technician performs the maintenance, inspect the equipment, and replaces defective parts if necessary. Once the task is completed, the technician submits the maintenance report, and if parts were used, the inventory manager updates the inventory stock in the system. So overall, this workflow shows how different roles and the system work together to complete maintenance tasks efficiently.
To address their challenges, Arjo focus on advanced product development centered on safety. They invested heavily in partnerships and education to improve service delivery. Crucially, they adopted sustainable manufacturing and integrated digital technologies like the ERP we've discussed to meet both market and regulatory demands. Next, please. The results were clear: improved patient outcomes and a significant reduction in caregiver strain. By making healthcare environments safer and more efficient, Azure solidified its reputation as a leader. Their technology-driven approach proved that sustainability and efficiency can go hand in hand in the medtech industry. Next, please.
All right, so for architecture, application, and tools, Arjo system architecture. So the company uses the SysPro ERP platform as a centralized system that connects several business operations into one environment. So instead of relying on separate databases or multiple spreadsheets, the ERP system allows different departments to access the same information in real time. So this helps improve communication and coordination between teams because everyone is working with the same data. Within this system, several ERP modules supports Arjo's daily operations. So for example, the supply chain management module helps monitor inventory levels and manage stock replenishment when needed. The customer relationship management module handles customer orders and ensures that the product requests are processed correctly before delivery. So the human resource management module helps coordinate technicians and staff by assigning tasks and managing service schedules. In addition, business intelligence as well um, will analyze operational data and generate reports. And these reports provide useful insight that help managers evaluate performance and make better decisions for the company. Next. And in terms of issues around the integration and the tools, before implementing an ERP system, Arju relied heavily on manual process and separate tools to manage their operations. So inventory data, for example, was often handled through different spreadsheets and systems, which made it harder for departments to share information with each other. Because of this, data silos were created and communication between teams become less efficient. After integrating the SysPro ERP system, Arjo was able to bring these operations into one centralized platform. This allowed the company to track inventory in real time and improve coordination between departments. A process that previously required around like 65.5 work hours and involved more than 50 employees can now be completed by just one operator in just about an hour. So in addition, the ERP system allows Arju to manage operations across multiple global locations by using centralized data, which helps improve communication and collaboration between different branches of the company. Next. And lastly, we have the implementation challenge and risk. So when companies implement an ERP system, it usually comes with several challenges that organizations need to manage carefully. One of the main concerns is the employee training. Since ERP systems introduce new workflows and procedures, employees who are previously used to manual processes or older system need time to really learn the new system and adjust to the new platform. So this transition really takes time because staff must understand how to use the system properly in their daily tasks. Another challenge is the data migration. So when companies move from legacy system to a new ERP system, existing data such as inventory records or operational information must be transferred into a new platform. So if this process is not handled carefully, it may lead to data errors or missing information which can affect business operations. In addition, ERP implementation also requires financial investment. So organization needs to invest in software, system infrastructure, let's say, and ongoing maintenance. So companies may also need technical support and continuous employee training to ensure that the system operates efficiently. And to reduce this risk, organization usually follows several strategies, and this include providing proper training for employees, testing the system before full deployment, and gradually integrating the ERP system into their operations. Doing so, these companies can ensure smoother transition and maximizes the benefits of using ERP system.
All right. In conclusion, Arjo serves as a model of resilience and innovation by proactively addressing their manual inefficiencies through ERP integration. They didn't just save time, they advanced the standards of patient care. Their success demonstrates that strategic adaptability is the key to leadership in a dynamic industry. Next slide, please. And thank you for your time to listen our presentation.
Thank you so much.
And
Thank you.
we are team 12 and 3.
And Ivan.
And wait home.
Yeah, and thank you for listening.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.